Seneca famously once said, "If one does not know which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." So, today I'll be talking about my own personal experience in 2024 with trading, and we'll be touching about the basics, the mindset shift, how to take action, and we'll be also touching on my own personal strategy and crypto. Moving forward, I have been trading for almost 4 years now, and the mental stress I have to achieve this kind of level of success doesn't come easy. I've been paid out more than 5 figures, which are all my payouts here, over the past year, and I can share my own personal experience where how I compose myself to get this level of success. I personally do not think that I'm a big time trader. I don't think that I'm the best trader, but I feel like it's I have a good testament to all of you guys that trading works. It's a better reality for all of us, the viewers right now watching, that these kind of success is more than achievable to the mass majority of all of you guys. I would think that if you go and compare yourself with the all the influencers on social media, you'll feel butthurt. But if you stumble upon my video, I'll give you the correct reality check on how to achieve the small wins before you get into that Lambo level success. A lot of us have our own inner ego. We always feel like we know the best, we know more than other people, and we think that we are better than other people. But when it comes to trading, if you have such an ego, you'll get killed, you'll get slaughtered in the market. I was reading a book by Ryan Holiday, "Ego is the Enemy," and I stumbled upon this quote by Epictetus. It says that it's impossible to learn that which one thinks one already knows. Basically, you cannot get better if you think you're the best. You must always strive for the hunger to know more, to think that you don't know anything at all. And the more you learn, the more your mind opens up to reality. I would like you, viewer, today to start with the basics. I want you to click the link down below to take the BabyPips beginner course, and I want you to open up a demo account. I want you to have that active learning. I want you to go down, finish the BabyPips course. While doing the BabyPips course, I want you to open up a demo account and trade with all the knowledge you have gained in the BabyPips course. I want you to actively learn. If you just do the test and don't enter any trades, sorry to say, what you learn is basically fucking stupid. You're not applying it. I want you to actively learn today. If you're watching this video today, I know you want a big change this new year, 2025. I know I wouldn't be the best trader. I don't drive a Lambo, I don't have a nice watch, but my payout, my success speaks for itself. I know some of you would wish to be in my shoes right now, making these small amounts of money. Maybe for a teenager it's a large sum. So I would like to help each one of you guys to prepare your own great mental framework, physically embody the best version of yourself, and to create this new year, new you, make it a reality. I want you to commit yourself, truly commit yourself, make a change for once this 2025, to hopefully build a better future for you. I'm also personally building a better future. I don't think I'm in the best place I am, but I know I could be better, and I know you guys that are watching this video want to have a great change in your own personal lives. We will now be talking about the proper mindset shift that you would need to pull through this tough trading journey that you're currently in or you're trying to start. So first thing is, I think one most important thing that we all have is our smartphones. TikTok, Instagram Reels. we always get sucked into the reality of making money quick money, fast money, all these reels. We keep on comparing ourselves to other people's maybe 10-year progress. That's one thing that I hate about social media, is we glorify the success too much, and we never show the hard times. We never show the failure. We never tell people, teach people how to pull through the failures, because 99.9% of traders lose. So how did the 0.01% pull through? They probably failed a ton of times, but how did they pull through? That's the most important part. How did they pull through? So to really pull through this tough trenches, I think you must be somewhat hateful to yourself. You should not be satisfied with where you are. That's why, for me personally, that's how I feel myself, because I hate myself for where I am at. So that's how I grow. So you need to somewhat hate yourself. I don't know if that sounds right, but you need to somewhat hate yourself. That's why that only brings change into your life. Moving forward, I think you need to be somewhat delusional also at some point of time. You need to be delusional, thinking that you can do this, set the crazy ass goals. You need to be somewhat delusional to really pull through this whole journey. And trust me, most traders when they start out, they're also delusional. They think they can make 100k, they think they can make $1 million overnight, shit like that. You need to be really somewhat delusional. Do you think a normal billionaire isn't delusional? Do you think someone really needs fucking $100 billion? They need to be somewhat delusional to know that they can do it. A normal human being wouldn't be that. How many billionaires there are in the world? There isn't much. But you really need to be somewhat delusional in your craft and in your journey to really achieve what you want. In school, the teacher really teaches us not to make mistakes. Like we're given a test. Make hella mistakes, we fail. What we get? We get scolding, we get this, that. We're already conditioned to not make mistakes. But in trading, we're only human. We must make mistakes for us to really learn. So you really must eat that shit up. Learn from your losses. Losing is always the best part of trading. I found it myself. Winning isn't the best part. Winning the money, shit like that, isn't the best part. Losing is the best part. Why? You get to know yourself better. You know how to improve better. And you will be somewhat a better person because you feel like, you're not the best at trading, but at least you're trying your best to lessen the mistakes. Mistakes always come. You cannot avoid mistakes. You must lose. You must blow that account. You must lose all your fundeds. Lose all your money. Making mistakes is fine. You need to take it out of your brain right now. Making mistakes is fine. Alright? So, after winning trades, you usually don't give a shit because you think you're the shit. You're on top of the world, and winning trades is your shit, You think you're God, but losing trades only teaches you the real lesson. I like to say one Bible verse that I have read that really helped me throughout this trading journey. It's in Proverbs chapter 14 verse 29, which says, "Patience leads to abundant understanding, but impatience leads to foolish mistakes." A lot of us like to rush the process to make that first $1,000, to make that first $5,000, but trading is a marathon. You can't rush the process. I've rushed the process many times, lost a lot of money because of it, because I want to make money fast. But this verse stuck to me the closest because I know we need to have that patience and not be foolish to rush into anything. One thing I would say outside of trading that helps me without, all back testing and stuff, I think one external factor that really helped me throughout my trading journey was working out in a gym. As you can see here, this was me in October, and this was me in January. Big difference, I was fat as not fat, but I was shape. I didn't really take care of my body. I wasn't eating right. But that 3 months, you see, in 3 months, that's a huge difference. In 3 months, with the proper diet, proper workout. So I want to say that in that 3 months, it's only 3 months, it really changed the person of who I am. Made me more money, made me open up to my mistakes, and made me build a strong body and strong mental framework to being disciplined into sticking into a routine and crush it every day. Not only with the trading knowledge, you're able to trade funded accounts and trade commodities, trade forex. One thing that helped me make a good amount of money last year was identifying the correct cryptos that I should buy. I think trading builds a great foundation for you to identify great financial decisions or great financial opportunities for you to choose because of this one skill set. In the financial markets, you're able to identify what is good, what is bad in the markets because of the knowledge that you have obtained. So I think with this trading knowledge, you are able to always identify the best opportunities in the market, and you yourself should always be open for opportunities. Don't be stuck to one trading thing and you think, I'm just going to trade NQ, or I'm going to trade S&P. But I think you should open up your avenues to other financial products that you think there is money to be made. I have here that I'm gonna put up here that I bought a Chill Guy at 15 million market cap, and I wrote that up from a $200, $400 account to like nine grand. It's because of trading that enabled me to get discount returns on investments. But I'm not telling you to go gamble on meme coins. It's just I found an opportunity because of trading. It gave me the opportunity to make this kind of money overnight. But I want you to know this one important thing. A lot of us always think negatively of the world and always think all opportunities are a scam. But I want you to know this theory that stuck to me a lot was the red car theory. It's a metaphor that suggests that opportunities are always present, but we often miss them because we're not actively looking for them. What that means is we're always stuck to not seeking the next opportunity. We're always closed-minded, thinking everything's a scam. I think we as traders, or we wanting a change, should always be actively seeking for the next opportunity that is out there. We need to open up your mind, think broader of things, always think the positive in every aspect, and you would identify the best opportunity for yourself. My personal vision for the crypto markets in the next 2 to 3 years, I think personally Bitcoin will hit $200,000 in the next 1 year. Trump made his own meme coin today. That's crazy. So I think the crypto market is gonna go crazy. It's either gonna break the fucking economy and make a fuck ton of people rich and make a fuck ton of people lose hella money. But it's the part of the game. It's for you to choose that opportunity. It's for you to seize that opportunity to make a change this year. Me personally, I'm heavily invested into cryptos. I'm not gonna shield any coins, but I'm very heavily invested in my crypto. Probably 90% of my net worth right now is all into crypto. I'm still down on some coins, but I see that future. If I don't take this risk now at this young age, and when I have a family, I'm gonna take that huge risk. Obviously, I'm not gonna take that. So I feel like one good thing about starting young is you can take a huge risk appetite and not to be, you're not fearful to be wrong, you're not scared to make mistakes, because there's so much time for you to just get back up on your feet and start over again. But if you have a family and stuff, you need to be responsible, which is quite hard for you to have such a huge risk appetite. So my suggestion for you is to start young. So right now we're on the charts, and I want to just basically run you through my basic strategy on how I tackle the markets. So basically for me, I usually find hourly highs, and I want to see market target previous highs. So for example, if this was pre-market up and this was market open, I want to see market either take out these highs or these lows. So I will either wait for an entry for price to go up into this area, show a strong rejection, show a strong rejection down, and see if there's any break of structure right here, any break of structures from here. And I would usually be ideal to enter off either a breaker block or a fair value gap that it's made in the middle, and I'll enter off that. My SL would be above the fair value gap somewhere here, and I'll just run down. So same goes with if it's sell. I'll just see if market opens up, down, market opens here, down, down. So if I was gonna do a buy, I'll wait for market to come down, sweep out these lows, hourly lows, make market shift, previous highs taken out, break of structure, enter off a breaker block or fair value gap, and I'll enter a buy here and catch the previous highs, or for this, catch the previous lows. So I'll be applying this into one of the scenarios I have here. Is on the hourly, you couldn't see that there was a high made. It was an order block that was swept, but on the M15 you could see very clearly that it swept this high during market open. So on M15 you could see market open here, swept out these highs, saw a rejection here, M1, came up, took out these highs, a rejection downwards, remember, go up, rejection, go up, retest. There wasn't any fair value gap, but we could take this as a breaker block here to enter off this. So we saw it enter up strong rejection, engulfing candle here. I would go in with a short position up here, SL above the fair value gap. I'll target lows all the way down here. And how I get those lows was this previous lows that was made on the minute chart. So I'll target these lows, and this would be a very beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade. We overcomplicate trading a lot, and I think that's not something to be glorified about. A lot of traders overcomplicate the whole process. Mine's very simple. Target previous pre-market highs or previous session highs, get it swept out, see a break of structure, enter off another confluence of a breaker block or a fair value gap, and that's it. Maybe these terms to you is quite hard, but later in the end of the video, I'll give you the basic blueprints on where you should learn all these concepts and how you should get started out with this pure price action strategy that I feel like it's way better than trading with indicators, because it's such a lagging thing. Now we are getting into the end of the video, and if you really want a more detailed explanation of my own strategy, you should watch my previous video that I posted, where I really identify and teach you the concepts of ICT and my own personal entry points of trading. I don't want to get too in depth of it because some viewers right now are very new into trading and want to make a change. I don't want to overcomplicate the whole thing. I just want to give you a sweet and simple concept to let you know that trading is not such a complicated task. It should actually be boring. Actually, it's a boring ass task. It's very repetitive. You're just fighting for the same things. So I would like to give my key takeaways for this video. I want you right now to put your head down, prepare your heart, and train your patience into learning the craft of trading. I want you to go straight to BabyPips and trade the demo account right after this video. I want you to do it right after this video. I don't want you to wait anymore. I just want you to take that first step into downloading MT5 and finishing that BabyPips course. And to learn that basic ICT where I've explained earlier. One YouTuber personally that I felt helped me a lot throughout this trading journey to make this kind of money was TJR. I'll link down below his videos that really helped me throughout my trading journey. And he explains it better than me, to be honest. And I think he's a great teacher, and you should actually invest your time into watching his bootcamp videos. Another external thing that I want you guys to do is always hit the gym. Maybe if you really don't have time, at least hit the gym 3-4 times a week. And I really want you to just cut out junk food and sugary drinks. Junk food and sugary drinks really fuck up with your mind. It really just creates the worst brain fogs. It gets you fatigued all the time. Just cut out these kind of stuff. And I don't know if you guys, the viewers, are religious or not, but I want you to pray daily to the beliefs that you believe in. Pray daily. And I felt like the benefits of praying is it's actually, calms down your mind. You need to let yourself know that your life is paved out by God. You have control with it, but it's already pre-planned and paved out by God. If you're not really religious, I would recommend you to just meditate, talk to yourself, calm yourself down, meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. But if you're religious, I really recommend you to pray to whichever God that you believe in. To end off this video, I just want to give you this quote that probably will really help you start this journey. We all must suffer one of two pains: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. I've given you all the free sources that you need to start your trading journey, but it's up to you to take that action and to take the leap of faith to start this journey today. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you in the next video.